Hello and welcome to Life Vibe Travel, your ultimate destination for immersive walking tours. Today, we invite you to join us on an exciting walking tour of Terminal C of the Orlando International Airport, where modern amenities and a touch of Florida's charm converge to create a unique travel experience. This terminal opened to the public on November 23, 2022. It has 15 gates for domestic and international flights and uses facial recognition technology for boarding. 10 international airlines and 1 domestic airline operate out of Terminal C: Aer Lingus, Azul, British Airways, Caribbean Airlines, Emirates, GOL, Icelandair, Lufthansa, Norse, and JetBlue. As we venture through Terminal C, you'll discover an array of shopping and dining options, stunning architectural design, and a warm atmosphere that captures the spirit of the Sunshine State. Whether you're a frequent flyer or visiting Orlando for the first time, this terminal promises to provide an unforgettable journey. As we explore the terminal, you'll have the chance to browse through a diverse selection of retail stores, offering everything from souvenirs to high-end luxury items. For those craving a taste of local cuisine or international flavors, Terminal C boasts a wide range of restaurants, cafes, and eateries, where you can indulge in culinary delights before your flight. Beyond the amenities, Terminal C's architecture showcases the charm and essence of Florida. From the spacious concourses with natural light pouring in through large windows to the captivating art installations, you'll find yourself immersed in the beauty of the region, even if you're just passing through. Orlando International Airport's Terminal C prioritizes passenger convenience with easy-to-navigate pathways, helpful information centers, and accessible facilities for travelers of all ages and abilities. Whether you're in a hurry or have some time to spare, the terminal ensures your journey is smooth and stress-free. As we continue this adventure together, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss out on future explorations and captivating journeys. Enjoy the video.
Nuevamente estamos hablando de grupos A, B, C, técnicamente para el vuelo 1233 de JetBlue servicio a San Juan, Puerto Rico, puerta 240, grupos A, B y C.
Thank you so much for joining me on this walking tour of Orlando International Airport Terminal C. If you enjoyed the experience, remember to show your support by liking and subscribing down below. Looking forward to having you join me again in the future. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.